Dan got it. Dan pulled him. Dan pulled him. Dan pulled him on the hill. There they go. There they go. There they go. There they go. Dan got him. Yeah, there you go. Last lap. You see how the game is played. You see how the game is played. That's how the game is played.
Hi everyone, welcome back to another edition of DLH Performance. Just want to give you a little bit of background on this exciting race with Dan Nelson and Weston. Dan Nelson's running number 45, and he's running my basic 80cc Minarelli web engine that you can purchase off my website. The engine has a G2 reed setup. It's got an upgraded PowerStorm ignition system from DLH Performance. DLH Performance Extreme Force clutch holding 900 pounds, and it's running on gas, pump gas. Weston, however, is running a Robert Blanchie Super China doll, and there's nothing basic about his Super China doll. It's steel sleeved and it's dyno tested on methanol. It's a very exciting race. Kudos to Dan and Weston for putting on such a good show. Hope you enjoy the race. Please watch for the surprise ending. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now enjoy the race.
It's going to take their race like 15 minutes. All right, capture started. Main event.
Mark D'Anzio again got the start, but Winston on his ass. Past him, giving him smoke. That was literal.
Great train,
dude. Well, no, Winston gave the gave Winston out in front. Weston just fucking, there he goes. There he goes, Weston. Weston and Dan.
Dan, Michael
Yeah.
Oscar, Alejandro, Robert Bianchi, Alistair, James, Alistair, and Bobby Bond.
Uh-oh, Dan,
Izio's bike.
wheel to wheel with Weston.
Oh, way wide.
Here they go. Down and Weston, down the straight. Down and Weston, down the straight.
Denuzio had a bike issue, he pulled off.
Yep. Gonna be interesting. Basically, what we got going on here is Weston on a Robert Bianchi China Girl versus Dan on a Darcy hybrid. And Weston is maintaining his lead. Weston is maintaining the lead. They are close. Yeah, and now Oscar's not going to have that 250 in his way.
Yeah, exactly.
Here they go. Oh, Dan pulling on him.
Weston's bike is starting to do funny things.
Yeah.
He had to mess with the choke right there.
Let's see if Dan could be number one two events in a row. Did he?
He was staying ahead, but Oscar was catching up the back.
Test. Weston still in front in the back, just looking good. Just Weston looking good. Maintaining his lead. Maybe putting gaining a little. Weston just keeping it up. They're evenly spaced. What we got is Weston on a China Girl Then we got Dan on the Darcy engine, and then we have Oscar on the Piaggio. But this is Dan's strong point, is pulling the hill. Dan's good at pulling this hill. But Weston maintains his lead. Weston maintaining the lead. Dan catching him. Dan catching him. They're halfway done. They're halfway done with the race, but I think I saw Dan pull a little. Let's see what we got at the bottom of the hill. Yeah. Weston still in front. Weston still in front. Dan is really close. Okay, Winston pull right here. Winston pulling. Weston pulling. Weston pulling. And that was a pull. So Weston still maintaining his lead. Okay, they come up. This is back hill. We'll see what happens here again. This is where like things happen, this back hill. Oh yeah. Weston maintaining the lead. Oh no, Dan pulling on him. Dan pulling on him. Dan pulling on him. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens. Wheel to wheel. Wheel to wheel. Let's see what happens. Weston in front, but there was wheel to wheel. But Weston pulled it down the hill. Weston maintaining his lead. Weston maintaining his lead. Yep, just Weston maintaining his lead. Here comes, oh shit, really close, really close. Watch, they're gonna get wheel to wheel up here.
They're getting wheel to wheel, dude.
No, they were wheel to wheel. They were going down the beginning of the straight wheel to wheel. Let's see what happens again.
Pedaling.
Oh yeah.
Gotta get your pedal game.
Oh, wheel to wheel. Wheel to wheel. Wheel to wheel. Coming down the hill. Oh my goodness, what's it gonna be going down the straight? Weston got him. So close. So close. They was close on that one. Hey, what's up, Tony? Hey, Tony. Hey, Tony. Hey, we're commentating right now. What we got right now is we got Weston on the Robert Bianchi engine, and then Dan on a Darcy engine. But hey, Tony, I kind of seen how you did Bird, or
I'm just stoked to see Ted win another trophy and live another day, and just giving everybody a reminder who Ted was and what he did for the sport. So.
Yep.
That's all I have to say. You know, I had a good race, and I'm stoked to see my brother win. And that's all I got to say about that.
Yup. We all know Big Boss Man Ted. Wheel to wheel. Good race. Yup. You heard what Tony said. You heard what he said. And then Robert Bianchi on the Piaggio just going at it with Escobedo. Escobedo's 212 spec. I might have a cam. I don't know. Robert might pull him right here.
He's definitely not gonna go. He's afraid Barrett's gonna try and put him down.
I wanted to put him on big gear. That's my
Where the snazzy stuff now?
Oh shit! There he goes. Dan got it. Dan pulled him. Dan pulled him. Dan pulled him on the hill. There they go. There they go. There they go. There they go. Dan got him. Yeah, there you go. Last lap. You see how the game is played. You see how the game is played. That's how the game is played. Okay, now let's see if he can hold it. Now Winston got him at the bottom. Winston got him at the bottom. Winston got him.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Ah, no.
Weston's from the old school.
Well, Dan Nelson passed him in a corner. Let's see if we can get him again.
Yeah, Dan, but Weston's from the old school.
Dan Nelson just has to get on his ass. Find
Yeah.
the hammer corner, and he can take him right here because the hill screws up Weston's bike.
It's going to be who gets down the hill the fastest.
It's to be right on his tire.
Yeah.
I think Weston has to be past the start-finish line to get him.
Oh, but they're gonna be going through races.
Oh, lap traffic. No! Dan, you had to get through. Oh, it was important for you to get through, Dan. Lap traffic.
Oh, Weston down! Weston! Down! Weston down! Weston down!
Dude, you had a block.
Down in first! Down in first! Down in first! There you go! There you go! Dan! Darcy Harriman engine #1!
He wanted that so bad.
He got it! Alright, there you go! You've seen it! You've seen it! Weston down! Fucking Dan took the win with the Darcy engine.
Last
#1.
Second to last corner.
Yup.
He had lap traffic behind him. Dan wasn't able
Yeah.
to get around the lap traffic. He was going to win. He could have rolled out of it. He went full race face. Race face. Race face. Race face. Race face. On the off-camber corner, and it bit him like it bites everybody.
Yup.
Oh, man, that is racing.
Here with Dan. Darcy engine #1 again. Again. Yeah. Again. So, but yeah, I made a bet that you give Robert Harrington some smoke. But what happened? He didn't show.
Didn't show.
So you owe me 50.
Yep. I was witness to it.
Witness. Darcy Hammond,
#1.
#1 again.
All year.
It's getting old.
Nobody paid us.
Yeah.
Nobody paid us.
Yeah, no one. Okay. That's what it is.